Okay. To remove this, you're gonna need a drill with a Phillips screwdriver and two board, which we will provide to you with the backrest. Okay. So to properly do this, go ahead and lift this up in the back and lift this up a little bit, move it to the front, and right here, it's gonna be hard for you to see, but there's a latch. There's a latch right here. You just lift it up and release. Okay. Once you get that done, turn this off. Turn the power off and unplug the power and the remote. You have 6 screws. You have 2 over here. And you got 2 up here. Okay, replace. These are all the same size, so don't worry about where it belongs. So let's go ahead and put it on the side. And you take this off, you have to lift it on the left hand side, okay? Lift on the left hand side, lift up, and right here. You see it? So if it's stuck, so that's why we don't push this side first, because you're gonna get stuck right here. So lift this side up first, and then go ahead and push it a little bit that way to your right, and lift it up. Yeah. Okay, once you have that off, you have a total of 6 screws back here. You got 3 on this side and 3 on this side. These 2 are visible, but this one's a little bit hidden. Right there. So let's go ahead and remove it. Let's move this side first. 1, 2, 3. I dropped the other one somewhere here. Oh, I'll look for it. Oh, there it is. And then remember, this one is hidden. Okay, so you have to move the cable to your side to be able to. Okay, once you got 6 screws on the side, go ahead and place it on the side. And go ahead and lift it up. When you lift it up, lift this up too, okay? Hold right here, lift this up. And then go ahead and lift this up. Right there. So let's go ahead and put this on the side. So let's say you will get a new one. So let's go ahead and put it back. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can come back here or not. Let's give you more room. Okay. Once you get this in, okay, take your 6 screws. You see it right here? Make sure this sit on top of this stopper right here. You have 2 stoppers on both sides. You see it? Right there. So make sure this sit on top of this. It cannot be like that. Okay, so it has to be like that. Okay. Once you get that in, then you get a divider, because if you don't, you're gonna have one side that's you got too much gap right here. On this side you have no gap. And then once, if you do that, then it's gonna be hard for you to put the cover on. So I'll put one here. This one I'll put it right there. You see? Okay, and once you get that in, what I do is that I put 2 screws first. One right here. See, make sure it
sits on
it sits on it. One right there, and one right here. Okay, once you get you in, take this off, unlock the latch right here, put the chair down. Okay, now you have easy. Now you can do the rest. Remember, this one's hidden. Okay, once you get that in, let's go ahead and put the cover back on. One side go in, one side go in. You can just go over here. If this happened, just go ahead and pull this out right there. You see this cable? Sometimes it's gonna be like, it's gonna stick to the side. Just go ahead and push it back into the opening right there. Make sure nothing is hitting in the way, and then right here, just line it up and push it down. And you get a perfect fit. And continue pushing everything. Push everything down. And let's go ahead and put the screw back. To make it easier too, like make sure these you don't tighten it all the way. Just get it in first. It's probably easier for you. Loosen it because you might need to move it, especially up here. You see, it doesn't line up, so at least it's where you can move it back and forth. Make sure it lines up. There you go. Okay, once you get the screw in, then you go ahead and tighten these four. Okay, once you're done, let's go ahead and grab your two cables. One power and one for the remote. There's the power, and here's the remote, and turn it back on. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Okay, come over here. When you lift it up, you see how this cable right here, it get caught in that latch. Make sure you remove it, okay? Do not push it down, because or else this cable is gonna get cut. So let's go ahead and move it to the side. Right there, see? Make sure this cable doesn't latch onto that. And let's go ahead and lift this up. Push it all the way back and push it down. Push it back and down. Okay, because this right here has to go back here. So let's go ahead and push it back all the way and down, and you're good.